Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Delta Warrior 259, back with another video. And today I'm doing a different type of video. If you have read the title of this video, you will know that I am actually doing a 3 a.m. challenge. But before I make this video, yes, this is a parody. I am only doing this to make fun of Imjaystation and Jester, the two 3 a.m. YouTubers that I watch. I'm only doing this because of that. And I'm going to be putting my phone in the fridge at 3 a.m. Now, just to prove, it is currently 3:02, well, 3:01, but it is still currently 3 a.m. And yeah, there's no way I'm going to be faking this. It is actually 3 a.m. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I don't know if so I've been hearing noises already. Upstairs when I was on my computer, I've been hearing noises. And down here, I've been seeing things. So, let's just start this video already. So, my fridge. Yes, because you guys didn't know, we got a new stove or oven, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. So fridge. I wanna open it. Okay, I wanna put you guys right here.